Hi everyone, I'm Nicole Martinez with Jim Burke Ford, and I'm standing here with our 2019 F-150 4x4. I'd like to show you a few of my favorite things, and also, ladies, this truck is not just for the guys. One other thing that is really cool that only the F-150 offers is our Pro Trailer Backup Assist. So let's say maybe you're not super comfortable with towing, and you probably don't want your friends to know that. You want to look like a pro, but backing up that trailer is really confusing. Pro Trailer Backup Assist steps in and helps you out. You're able to actually take your hands off the steering wheel, put the truck into reverse. You're going to engage the Pro Trailer Backup Assist button here, and you're just going to use this dial to turn whichever way you want your trailer to turn. It becomes impossible to jackknife the trailer, and you are going to look like a pro every single time. Isn't that awesome?